Okay, so here we have an interesting shape that I found on Thingiverse. And I brought a little bit extra light in to be able to see inside. Can you see we've got a cone inside there?
Yeah.
On the bottom?
Yeah.
And we have a cylinder
Surrounding it.
surrounding that cone.
And we have a half sphere.
And we have a half sphere, what luck, on top. And the interesting thing about this is for each of these, can you see that they have the same radius? The cylinder, the sphere, and the cone?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Because of this.
And can we maybe use one of our zone pieces that's lying over here to see that they have the height is half the diameter? Can we see that approximately?
Yeah, approximately.
Okay. So we didn't bring out a ruler, but you can see that the height is about half the diameter. Okay. So that means our cylinder should have volume pi r cubed.
Yeah.
And the cone should have volume 1/3 pi r cubed. Okay.
So it should have a third of the area.
Should have, so how much volume should be left inside of here, of the original volume?
Well, 2/3.
2/3 of it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is this amazing thing. We're going to pour water into the top up here, so go ahead and do that. Or actually, do you want to plug up the hole and I'll pour the water in?
Okay.
Okay, that might make for less spilling potential around the camera. Okay, you got it plugged up?
Yep.
We got some schmutz in the water. Looks like we got some coconut in the water. Move your thumb, please. Okay, am I filled?
Yep. It's as full
Okay.
as you can.
Oop. All right, let go. Move your hand.
Now it's filling up.
Water's pouring down and filling up, and
Pouring up. Up and up and up. Almost exact.
almost filled all the way to the top. Okay.
Cool. There's a little tip of the cone.
And then,
Yeah, there's just a little tip of the cone, and there's little bits of coconut inside of
and
the
there's
sphere.
also a droplet of water that's waiting to come down.
Yeah, there is. We're also not quite level, but
Pretty cool.
What does that show you?
That the area of a half sphere is almost equal
I think it is equal, but
to the area of a cylinder with the cone taken out if they have this same height diameter ratio.
Okay,
So
but
then-
not the area.
Yeah.
Not the area. What's almost equal?
The volume.
The volume of a half cone, half sphere, is equal to what?
The volume of a cylinder with the cone taken out.
Yeah.
so that would be 2/3 pi r cubed.
For a half sphere.
Yeah.
So what does that mean the volume of a sphere is?
4/3
pi r cubed.
4/3 pi r cubed. How about that?
Pretty cool.
You know who discovered this, apparently?
Who?
Archimedes.
Cool.
I think Archimedes, anyway. That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
That is really neat. And,
I wonder if you can create more shapes like this.
yeah, I bet you could. This is a very special relationship that's not obvious to see just by looking at a cylinder, a cone, and a sphere, that
Yeah.
you would have this relationship. But hopefully it also is a good way to help you think of the volume, because exactly half a sphere's volume fits into that funny shape down below. Pretty cool.
What if you could create one with like 2 cones, 2 half spheres, like maybe a full sphere and 2 cylinders?
Yeah.
Like double everything.
Double everything? Yeah. That would actually be pretty neat. I'm not sure how to do that. I'm not sure how you would pour the water in, for example.
But you have to put like a hole in the top.
But it's a great idea. It's an absolutely great idea.
We could try to print that.
Yeah, we could. Maybe we'll see. Maybe we'll see if we can make that shape, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
All right. Good work today, guys.